You mean girls in general or just?
The face-off.
Oh, yeah.
It is.
It's like a jump ball in basketball.
Uh-oh.
They play 24-minute halves or something, or 25-minute
Yes.
halves? Huh.
Just two halves.
Just two halves.
Oh, you're missing a whole world of lacrosse that you didn't even know existed.
Never seen it before. Yeah, this is last night. I was so different.
I saw like a, remember that tournament we were at Charleston?
No, Louisiana.
No, Charleston was some games right next to us.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
Stars.
Yep, yep, yep. With that big coach. Yes.
She's about, I bet she's about, that's all it is.
Mark.
Here, watch this. You're going to see something right here. Oh. They have a different call that just drives me insane. It's called the shooting space. So if someone comes over and they're about ready to shoot, even if they do shoot, and this person, here's the goal, this person comes over, gets in front of them, and they've already shot, and the ball goes in the goal, it's called off, shooting space, and she gets the ball on the 8-meter line, like kind of a free kick, and then has to try and score again. You just relax, unless you want to do it. One more time, it's your job.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it like penalizes the offense.
Yeah, Olivia! That's scary. Yes. Yes.
She was face off like this.
She didn't.
She usually doesn't do the draw.
No.
Yeah, she'll be.
Well, and that's where we were like, it would be good. Ooh, when we go out on the boat, to be able
Do any zooming while you're filming?
to carry boat dogs and get in the
But down
car
here,
and they ride a
this-
golf cart.
it's tough.
Okay.
I hate filming with these fields because it's so.
It looks
Chesapeake Bay
better.
Retriever and something else. That's the other one. It's like it'll come.
Like, why didn't she shoot it right there?
Because there was someone in front of her. Oh yeah, it's
Yeah,
Dark brown.
If you hit one on one time, they'll do it the next time.
oh no, you get a yellow card for that.
Do you for pegging?
Yeah.
yeah.
There's Lila.
It's kind of like a reward too, isn't it? That's the girl I asked her how long our game was gonna last.
Wait, the one shooting or the
Yeah.
best they would take?
She's like, what time is our game gonna be? We hadn't started yet. The game's like
Go, go, go.
5:30 or 6:30. She's like,
Good stop.
She's like, we're supposed to play. I was like, whoa. That's like a good stop. I looked at the little schedule and it was right. We were playing first and we were playing. It was tight
Tight
schedule.
schedule.
Oh, she came over and said, "Hey, how are you? Good to be here."
She said, we'll help you with the goal. We'll put it in there. We'll fix it.
Lila.
I'm not shocked by that.
Neither am I.
Yeah, I mean, they were just asking.
Yeah, yeah. But not a meek, but like some of these girls would never walk up and say, "Hey, Sophie."
Yeah.
But she would.
It was her and two others. I can't remember.
Well, she brought back up.
Yeah.
We're picking
She
one of
wants to
those.
play in college.
Those are the two boys that we'll choose from.
She's a senior.
She's a junior. We only have-
Yes!
There you go.
Heads up! Look around!
Go, Willie, go!
Come on, baby. Come on, fight for it, baby! Get there!
Oh,
Well, and if they cover it,
Aggressive bumping.
No, no.
Mark up! Mark up!
Hey, good job.
Bumping.
I know.
There you go, there it is!
See, I've never been thrown out of a boys game, but I've been thrown out of a girls game before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was it? What was the offense?
Wait.
Oh yeah. My little monkey got just destroyed by this big old, like 3 times in a row. I lost my yeah. And then the coach got, hey, in my defense, then the coach got thrown out the next play. So we were both out with it. And Rand's one of the nicest guys in the world.
But, you know, Justin's gotten yelled at by the refs before when he's yelling at the girls, and the refs are like, do not yell at me. And he's like, I'm yelling at my girls.
Oh, how funny. This was like years ago.
Well, our coach is getting in trouble for having a calm,
Go, Caroline.
respectful conversation.
Yeah.
Strong.
Cussing nothing. I'm like, you can throw people out for a discussion. Get it.
That was the ref.
We had one ref that we.
Lot to say.
Go, Madison! Come on! Let's go. Here you go, Hoover! One of y'all's
Madison.
refs we know from Blue.
Hey.
Sit. Strong, Madison.
You got it, Madison!
Yeah, way to go, bro. Mark up, come on. Get it.
So if they're hanging their stick, you can whack it. But
Ground ball, let's go, get it, ground ball.
girls.
There you go,
Yes!
Madison.
Like that.
She's really hanging her stick to me, but
well, unless it's right here, you can't. I mean, you can hit it like that. You can't hit it. Go out. Walk.
did Lila not go back that far? She should have stopped at that line.
No.
Because her and that other girl are stuck at this line.
Oh yeah. Defense. Right.
Wait, they don't stop at the midline?
No, they stop at this 3/4 line. It's different.
Help her out. Help her out.
Get it. Yes.
Grace,
Go,
go,
Grace.
Grace.
Go, Grace.
She's one of our homework girls.
And you got to make good throws.
Behind you.
And she's going to,
Yeah, like, they check a lot more than that. Like, we didn't check at all running down the field. She's been checking. Watch where you're at. Watch it.
Push.
It's all right, Olivia. Watch where you're at. Blue line, Olivia.
Go, Alexandra!
Can't leave that man on, can you?
Well, when we first started playing, the Frazier hot
Yeah.
had to go pretty quick.
Yeah.
Like,
Come on, Lily. Come on.
yeah!
Alright, we need some dinner. Back to the Bucks.
I forget Saturday. Yeah.
We do, right?
At one point, we'll be around.
Yeah.
Oh.
Divide and conquer is what we're doing.
Y'all have a Rose Valley on Saturday.
Well, middle school show choir is competing tomorrow. High school's competing all day Saturday at 2 different venues. I have to go to Vermont and Yeah.
Lily scored. Okay.
Does Justin rewatch the?
He's been putting them on YouTube. I mean, you know, for what that's worth when they're.
Yes.
Yes. Go! So with all the with all the pauses, it takes him a while to get like each clip on there.
He told me to just let it run as long without.
I think he's like.
But I
finding
stop at
places
half,
where-
right? Yeah. and long timeouts. I'm not a professional like.
Apparently that was early on. Okay. Luke said that varsity starters will start and that they're going to get pulled completely from the Ravenwood game. So Luke's assuming he will play half, basically half varsity and then at least half JV, depending on what they want from
Good job, Caroline.
That was pretty.
Yeah.
She is.
Get it back. So here we go.
Mark up, find somebody.
And then I'm assuming Luke won't play much. It's just not all on Sunday.
Stay right there. There you go, Olivia. Right there, Olivia. Coming at you. Go get her. Tom Brady. Get it, Katie.
Get it, Katie. Yes. Get in there.
There you go, Grace.
Good, Grace.
Sit, Grace. Keep it going, Grace.
Stay with
Good job.
Grace. A minute.
Am I missing something, or was that?
No, they're
that
not
wasn't a
calling
no
it.
kick check, right?
No,
I mean, that was so far above her head that.
Neither of them were good. But she only called the second one.
Wait, shouldn't they be like kind of? Aren't they supposed to be out of the game for 2 minutes? If they do it like a check, like
Yes.
Oh, well, if they
She
call
doesn't
it
have
a
broken ribs. They're
Yeah,
just
if they get a card, then they're out. Hey, this is a much better start.
You can stop going from there.
They brought my wire.
they're like something's happening at my
Every time I
Get tough, feet. That needs a lot of.
He did after the game, but
Margaritas.
he basically said he shouldn't.
Well, they shouldn't have gone with it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That's probably overloading double up so there's an offensive player.
Pick her up.
Um,
There you go. Good, Dava. Get her.
There you go,
Mark
Alexandra.
up.
Nice,
That's it,
Alexandra.
Alexandra.
I would have loved to listen to Roman the whole game,
I know, it was kind of
just to give his perspective on.
like a whole new world, you know? When you
Pick. That's
10
it.
minutes ago when he was standing there giving commentary about the girls. He's like, oh, they
Ah.
do it again. Is that legal?
Yeah, if they had to watch a younger girls game, they'd be like, oh my god.
Oh, you got to get the ball. See, that's when I miss boys. When they're hanging out right in front of the goal and you're not allowed to hit them. That's just almost unfair. Just got to take a little stick right in the ribs or something. It's like unlimited shots when they're that close. Because you can't step in front of them. Oh God, I hope he doesn't post the audio too.
Let's go, girls.
Whack their stick.
I know, we need to do more of that.
Come on, Hoover!
Good day, good day.
The ref that faced my game.
Win it, Hoover, win it.
Get the ball, get the ball. Get the ball!
Win it, win it.
Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go.
Wait, what? I don't understand what just happened.
Go, Olivia! Go, Olivia! Go, Lila!
Come on, baby, come on. Put it in. Let's move it fast.
Mark up. Gotta mark quick.
Oh man, she was wide open.
Stay with her. Just stay with her.
Stay with her.